Hello YouTube and welcome back to my channel. I am docLUXURY and I'm here with another video. And yeah, okay, it's another unboxing, but listen. So I have had some comments, saying why the heck are you unboxing so much? You're fake, whatever. But listen, I don't have to explain myself. I do these unboxings for the people that enjoy them, and I do them for myself. So if you don't like them, don't watch them. It's as easy as that. So yeah, this is, and by the title this is an unboxing, so don't even click on the video if you're not interested. But anyways, I just needed to get that off of my chest because yeah, just tired of having to block so many people. Anyways, so yeah, stay tuned to see what I got this time. Alright, so you have seen by now, hopefully. I don't even know if I'm gonna put that video up because, and so I'm hoping this isn't both of the items that I ordered, but you guys know that I ever since I saw that silver keepall from Kim Jones's last or Kim Jones's collection, I'm just tearing off the address label here that's so I could open it. But you guys know that I missed out on that, even though my SA tried his best to get it for me. And then in Kim Jones's last runway, he had a few different canvases or different materials that he used in the bags and in the clothing, and yeah, I just had to get something in that collection. And if you guys have seen a previous video, you guys saw that I unboxed another keepall, or another couple items from that last collection in the LV upside down line. And yeah, this is really exciting. So this item has not even been released yet. It is, what's today? I think today is Tuesday. I don't even know when this video is gonna come out because I'm so busy and backlogged with other videos that this will probably come out way after the official release date. But the official release date, I believe, is Friday the 13th. And currently, I think the only store in the US, correct me if I'm wrong, is at the New York Soho location. And that is actually where I got this item. So the story is, I did ask my SA to order it for me. And if you hear some fireworks, I guess my neighbors still have some leftover fireworks from the 4th of July. Anyway, so my SA was not able to get it into his store, and so he was able to figure out a way for me to still get them. And so he got me in contact with a sales associate in that Soho pop-up location. So I'm just really excited that I was able to get this. So without further ado, let me just go ahead and shut up and open this box up. Got my blade. Alright, so I'm really hoping they did not, so you can see the box. I'm really hoping that they did not stuff both items that I ordered in here. I hope it's just the smaller of the two items, but we shall see, because I have not yet gotten another email saying that I have another package coming in the mail for me. Okay. So here is the inside. Oh. So they packed it with a bag, so that's really nice of them. And here is the box. Okay, so I'm really hoping they only put one item in here. Okay, so as always, I will use the packing box as my stage. This is just so exciting because ever since I saw, so what I really wanted from Kim Jones's last runway was one of the trunks, the small boxes, but those were like ridiculous. The one that I had wanted originally was like $30,000, and I'm like, no way. And so then I saw this one, and then yeah, I asked my SA to try his best to get one for me, and he did. Oh my goodness. So they tied this in a knot. Give me 1 second. Oh, I can't even take it out that way. Arg. Can I just... Okay, I'm just going to try to shimmy this thing off. Okay. There you go. Just take off the ribbon. So... Okay, here is the inside. Uh-oh. So, okay, so it is just one item. Phew. They did not tried stuffing both items in that box. Here is my receipt, even though, so I ordered this over the phone, and they, basically emailed me a receipt, but I'll show you the I'll tell you the cost after I open it. But I'm just so excited. Okay, here we go. Let me just take out this piece, put the box right there. Forget it. Here, I'll put it right there. Oh my goodness. You see some vachetta or vache naturelle? Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Hold on, I am like speechless. Look at this, guys. This is so pretty. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me take that out of the way. So it looks like the leather is, I don't know if it's treated or what, but it is not like white vachetta like you get on other Louis Vuitton bags. But look at this bag. So this is, I don't even know what it's called, you guys. Let me look at the receipt. So this is the location that I ordered it from the Soho, New York store. And this item is called the Messenger PM. Okay, so it's just called the Messenger PM in the monogram titanium. So this is monogram titanium. There's a little bit, okay, so there was a little bit of the glazing that was sort of peeling off, but it just came off. And it didn't ruin the bag or anything. This is just so cool. Okay. Look at the zipper pull. If I could cover my face. It's sort of like an upside down T. See it? Let me open this thing up. Okay, so on the inside it says Louis Vuitton Paris, made in Italy. Défilé Automne Hiver 2018. And here is the care booklets, and inside is the tags. And what is the textile card? So it says coated fabric, but this isn't coated fabric. That's really weird. So cowhide, leather trim, and man-made lining. Okay. And here is the product code if you are interested in this item. Oh, come on. There you go. But I am like over the moon with this, because then... Okay, so here is the inside. It is gray. There are 2 pockets on the back. And yeah, otherwise it's just one big pocket. Let me close it. And I'm not sure if these, see, like there's this fabric right here, it's not completely stitched on there. I could probably put my sunglasses on there. Now, let me try it on. Oh, this is just so awesome. And I'm hoping that this vachetta, or this leather, is somewhat treated, because I'm not a real big fan of vachetta leather when it gets really dark, and I'm hoping to keep this piece for a very long time. And yeah, so look, there is, so this amount to that part, I could increase the length of the strap a bit more. But oh my goodness, this is so amazing. So yeah, if you guys haven't already guessed, I do have another piece coming in the mail sometime. I don't know when, but I'm so happy because this is the one that I really wanted anyways. And I'm really glad that I got it first. Seeing how is this? Okay. Anyway, so that's all I really wanted to share with this video. Oh, and it looks like there's a D-ring right here, which I guess you could attach a luggage tag or a keychain. But yeah, so here is the back. Ain't that monogram just so cool? So this is not a coated fabric. But yeah, so that is my unboxing for today. Hope you liked it. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. Oh, I forgot to tell you guys the price of this item. So the price of this item before any taxes, so I won't tell you how much my taxes were because they are different everywhere. It cost $1,970. So yeah, here is the piece again. It's so amazing. Okay, so I will leave it at that, and yeah, stay tuned for more videos, and until next time, just remember to be you and stay confident. Take care, you guys. Goodbye.